Hello and welcome to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. I'm Audra, the marketing and content producer at Sallie Tomato. Today is the 18th day of our 2025 Hearth and Handcrafted Advent Box. Today is going to shear some of the stress off your holiday preparations. Day 18. You'll start feeling the holly jolly with this day's item. It's definitely a must-have for your sewing toolkit. Today's reveal is a classic tool that every sewist will appreciate. Sallie Tomato pinking shears come complete with a genuine leather sheath for safe storage. These pinking shears create a beautiful zigzag edge to prevent fabric fraying and add a professional finish to your project. The leather sheath keeps them protected and easy to store. Pinking shears are great to keep any woven fabric from fraying and keeping seam allowances beautifully trimmed up. We hope these shears bring precision, style, and joy to all of your sewing endeavors. The Sallie Tomato pinking shears are available today on sallietomato.com for you to buy another set for yourself or for all your sewing friends for the holidays. If you are interested in the Sallie Tomato Advent Box, you might still be able to purchase this year's box if they are still in stock. But if we're sold out, we've added a link below for you to join our newsletter so you can be one of the first people to hear when the 2026 Advent Box is available for purchase. Please share and show off whatever you make with your pinking shears. We'd love to see how you trim up all your seams with style. Use the hashtag SallieTomato and hashtag SallieTomato Advent Box on social media so we can see it. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like and a subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our future videos, whether it's patterns or tutorials or products. We would love to have you watching and part of our Sallie Tomato family. Thanks for watching and happy sewing.